Hey guys, my name is Laser and welcome back to another video. So today we're playing Bee Swarm Simulator because the update is still out and I just want to do more. So off camera I've been doing Rogue Roundup. This is mainly the other reason I want to do the video, because I want to do the thing on camera, finishing it. Well, I've also finished a polar bear quest apparently. And I got all that. And spider pot pie. I'll do that later, but right now I'm trying to do this one, which is super close to be done. So this wasn't as bad as the pineapple patch blue one, because there's more red in this cactus field. So we have finished Rogue Roundup. Yeah, there used to be a pine tree here, and I would climb up onto it and then climb up to here. Just remember that for some reason. So let's go and hand in the Rogue Roundup and see what misery Black Bear has for us now. There was some spicy hot pollen gear from... Oh, too spicy. Here's a nice batch of strawberries to help cool you off. Nice rock, just 17 more quests in the Star Jelly sauce. 30 of those, and then okay. And fields full of white flowers can be so serene, like a silent plain covered in a thick sheet of fresh snow. Snow's not real cold snow. Polar bear does. What a weirdo. Hey, polar bear's my buddy. Can't talk to him like that. So it's white pollen. White as snow. So 1,500,000 white pollen, 700,000 pollen from pineapple patch, 400,000 from the spider field, and 300,000 from the dandelion field, which is this one, which will kind of be hard. Not really though, since it's really lots of white, but it's little white, like little ones. Do I have any more jellies? Yes, I do. I've got 3. Wait. So, Hasty Bee, Stubborn, Hasty, and then Rascal. So now we're going to kill the king beetle in this update. There might be something new that it can drop. So let's go and see. Okay, so for some reason it kicked me out of the server. But I'm just gonna do this. I'm just about to have 12 million because I'm gonna get the 1 million from the king beetle, and then yay! You have 2 bees, and you have that many, and then yeah. So now, let's go, and hopefully I won't get kicked out of the server. I tried to use my parachute, but it wouldn't work, and then I just glided off into the distance. Oh, you have a quest for me? Or a handed in? So it's a new quest. Pineapple patch 4, so that's 100,000. Didn't they say that they're going to remove Honeybee in the update? Well, technically this is a mini update, not the full update, but still, I thought they were going to get rid of him. Maybe they won't. Well, this is really easy compared to when I first ever did this. Because I've got so many level 7s now, and this is a level 7B. I mean, mob. So 3 re-extract, 5 tickets, a million honey, 25 strawberries, a magic bean, 3 royal jellies. Oh, by the way, the chat's up here instead of down where it used to be. 5 moon charms and 10 gumdrops, and then the 150 rattle points. So now we have 12.1 million honey, and we're going to. Should we go blue or red? I'm more leaning over to the blue, but should we go red? No, I'm leaning over to the blue. Let's go blue. So, open this up. Oops. Or I could buy on a. Wait, what? Oh, and you also need 5 royal jellies. I was gonna say, why can I not buy that? But I don't think I'm gonna want to buy that. Or I could buy this, but I don't think I want to buy that either. And that's just, no, that's not happening today. Wait, what? No, 12,500,000. No. Seriously? I need to go to any field. So I was thinking blue field, but I don't need blue pollen to get honey. So I'll just go to the spider field. Is that our spider? Oh no, that says 24 minutes. Wait, but no one's in this field. Why is this just... Oh, it's gone. So, come on, we just need, like, a nearly full backpack. So this is the last time we're going to use our backpack before our new one. Oh, wait, someone's calling. Okay, so I'm nearly done with the spider field thing, so I'm just going to finish that off, but if I didn't want to do that, I would have enough to just go and buy the thing after I empty my backpack, but come on, nearly there, so close. White is snow, nearly done, so I've done red, no, I've done blue, then red, and now I'm doing white. Hopefully there'll be a quest not just about one certain thing, because there isn't any other field things, field colours, apart from in that Ideas for Beastorm video where there was purple and yellow flowers. Purple wasn't originally going to be in the game, but yellow was, and I want to see a yellow flower. Yellow's my favourite colour, if you didn't know. So now I've done that, we are going on to emptying my backpack so that I can get my new backpack. Last time ever emptying the Porto Hive. Last time ever emptying this amazing Porto Hive. Bees make a good job of it, I guess. Come on. Work faster. I want to get the blue Porto Hive now. It's the exact same as this Porto Hive, but in shiny blue paint. I want to get this version, but dipped in shiny blue paint. Yes, I have enough now. And I only just have enough. Oh, it's turning nighttime. It's going to be nighttime when we get this thing. Why can't I go down? There. Hello, Bucko Bee. So 3, 2, okay. The Porto Hive dipped in shiny blue paint. 350,000 capacity, plus 150% conversion rate, plus 8% instant conversion, plus 5% blue pollen, and plus 1 blue bee attack. 3, 2, 1, boom. Receive Porto Hive. By the way, I've seen someone in game Oh wait, no, you've also seen it in the last video of someone with the red porter hive, but no one has the blue porter hive except me. This thing looks amazing. Oh no, 15%. My device is 15%. My two favourite colours are yellow and blue, so this matches me perfectly. So now we will just do a little bit more for the white as snow quest. So let's jump into the pineapple patch, which is this way. So now instead of 600,000, I have 750,000. Hello random person, you now see me with a blue porter hive. Die, Mantis, die. So now I have no honey again, which is sad and annoying. I like it when I have a lot of honey, but now I have none. The next thing I'll be working towards is the 20 million golden rake, and then the spark staff, and then the original amazing ones that have been in the game for a while. So come on. See you guys soon when we have done more on this. Okay, so I've nearly completed the pineapple patch one, not the white as snow one, but the pineapple patch one's nearly done. Boom, done. Boom, nice. Let's go. Talk to Brown Bear. 50,000 emotionally and 2 tickets. Just randomly summon a honey storm just cause. Come on. And there was a ticket there. Okay, so see you guys soon. Wait, I'm just gonna get this first. So see you guys soon. Okay, so now I'm nearly finished with the pineapple patch here, and then I'll go to the dandelion field. And come on, taking a little bit longer than I expected. Okay, this is definitely taking longer than expected. And 3, 2, 1, boom. So now we are going to go to the dandelion field. Okay. Come on. Keep on going. So see you guys soon. Okay, so I just have found someone here with a red one. And I've got the blue one. So hello, random person. You are red and I am blue. So he's the one there. Here's BRB as well. So he can turn into a bear any second. Whenever his BRB wants him to actually be able to turn into a bear. I just want to see him turn into a bear. He turned into Panda Bear. Come on, turn into Science Bear or Mother Bear, because those are the two new ones that I kind of want to see right now. Come on. Turn into a new bear. Come on, turn into a new bear. New beer and better beer. Turn into a new beer. Come on. Now you're nothing. Come on, where's your BRB buff? Where even is your BRB anyways? What if it's asleep? Nope, it's not asleep. So I have no idea where his BRB is. Okay, so I've nearly filled up my backpack. It'll be my first time ever filling up this backpack and then emptying it. Oh, by the way, I've also done 2 quest badges. I saw that off camera, but I just for some reason just remembered right now. So I've done bamboo and pineapple. So bamboo. Yay! And then pineapple. Yay! Oh, and also cactus and rose. Yay! There's a lot that I've been doing right now. Any other ones? I'm close to strawberry. Okay, so how many tickets do I have now? 229. I nearly have 250. Yes, amazing. So I'll just fill up this backpack, then finish the quest, then start the next quest, and then end the video there. So I think I can do like around 1 quest every episode. Or every video. I keep calling them episodes. Okay, so I'm up to 200,000. And like these two are kind of the same right now. If I just leave this field. Please stop doing that. Okay. So like, wait, I'll just quickly get a little bit more. Yeah, so 200. So it's now daytime. That guy's dancing. Yeah, I've filled up my hive. My Porto hive. My blue Porto hive. Make honey with my amazing Porto hive. And I'm also going to use my royal jellies. 4 of them actually. Come on. It's lagging for some reason. Whenever I try and use the royal jelly, transform rascal bee, cool bee, stubborn bee, red bee, and Bucko bee. Okay. When will I get my diamond bee? I really want my diamond bee. I'm annoyed at myself because I, for some reason, can never get my diamond bee. How? You've hardly got any bees. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You can't even get into the 15 area. Oops. My laser gaming thing. And you already have a gifted basic bee. Like one of the best gifted bees. Gifted basic bee. Wow. Okay, so come on. See you guys soon. Okay, another thing just before I finish this white as snow thing, because I'm super close. If you stand here, there's new music. So look, if you're over here, well, it's gonna go away soon. So look, it's the dun, 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 dun. But then when you get close to Gummy Bee, dun, 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 dun. Okay, I'm gonna have to end the video soon and plug in my device, but I accidentally jumped around the side, so I'm gonna have to reset character, because another thing is you can't jump off the side, like it's just endless. Wait, yeah, so look, it's just endless, so you have to reset your character. I tried for so long. Oh, and it also says you died. Your bees must recover at the hive. That's another new thing. So, if I go to this field, my bees have to sleep, and then eventually, oh no, my exhausted bees don't have to. Oh, I don't have any exhausted bees. Well, yes, I do. Where's that? That's an exhausted bee. Why are you sleeping? See? A gifted exhausted bee, and it was just sleeping. So now I'm so close to finishing this off. And come on. Bit more. And done. Oh wait, no. Oh, I also need a bit more white pollen, so I'll just go to the field up here, the spider field. Oh, and there's a spider here. Oh, I got 3 tickets. Oh, I need 200,000 more. Oh, I thought it was only up to 1,300,000. Oh, so see you guys soon. Okay, nearly done. Come on. And boom. Dang. There. It's white as snow. It's ready for black bear. Come on, let's go. Wonder what we're gonna get from him this time. You and your bees make it look so easy. We'll probably run out of honey in just a few days, if not for you. Here's a bunch of pineapple. 16 more quests. 800,000, wow. That's a lot, and lots of good things. A long time ago there used to be a big tree on the mountain. It was just way too big, it blocked the sun and everything. Nothing could grow below it, not even flowers, it was terrible. Until at some point a giant bear came and cut it down. After that, all the other plants could flourish, as you can see. At least this is what I've heard makes sense to me. Anyway, you can still see the stump the tree left behind. Is there a stump field quest? And on top of the stump is a great flower field. At least it would be great if not for the big snail that lives there. It distracts any bee who enters the fields. They know how at collecting pollen. If you want pollen from the stump field, you've got to do it by hand. Since I've only got paws, I'll need you to do it. 1 million pollen from the stump field, no. It'll be tricky, so if you complete this quest, I'll give you 10 tickets. Not that worth it, really. Actually, if you give me 10, then I'll only need 3 more. Okay, I guess so. Solo on... Oops. No. Oh. Wait. Solo on the stump. No. I haven't even done 1 million either on this thing. I've done 120,000. This is going to be hard. For a second I thought he would want me to actually, defeat the stumps now. That's not happening right now. I can definitely tell you that. So, this one's gonna take me a while. Like, a very, very big while. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that like button as hard as you can, and I will see you guys in another video. Goodbye. Stump Snail Quest is gonna be so hard. Bye.